This is the Körner family. They live in Eastern Africa and are small-scale farmers. And this is Mrs. Akbar, the finance minister of Laos, a small country located in the Pacific Ocean. Like many other people living in countries that are vulnerable to climate shocks, they have been facing frequent problems related to climate change. This year, a severe drought destroyed the Körner family's maize crops, their only source of income. In Laos, the bridge connecting the country's two largest islands was destroyed by a hurricane, cutting off traffic with dramatic consequences for the national economy. How will the Körner family deal with this problem? Will they be forced to sell property to compensate for the losses? Will their children have to drop out of school because the family can no longer afford the fees? How can Mrs. Akbar act quickly to protect public finances, ensure the safety of the population, and bring about a quick economic recovery? Will she have to take out a loan with high interest rates to finance the reconstruction of the infrastructure? How long will it take to launch an international aid program? In the face of increasing climate and disaster shocks, the InsuResilience Global Partnership brings together V20 and G20 countries, the private sector, multilateral organizations, civil society, academia, and other networks and initiatives under one common vision: strengthening the resilience of poor and vulnerable people and providing countries with financial tools to adapt to climate change. The partnership's goal is to provide actors with guidance, capacity building, and support with implementation, while fostering collaboration to drive the implementation of climate and disaster risk finance and insurance solutions. Through the Program Alliance, the partnership mobilizes the world's leading programs for disaster risk finance and insurance to develop financial solutions for governments and individuals. Thanks to the Program Alliance, a micro-insurance policy that the Körner family took out in 2018 prevented them from falling into poverty. Through an intermediary, a seed cooperative receiving financial and technical support under the InsuResilience Global Partnership, the family rapidly received insurance payouts and seeds for the next planting season. The children were able to continue school and the parents' income situation stabilized. Mrs. Akbar's government received insurance payouts a few days after the hurricane through an insurance policy between the Ministry of Finance and a regional risk pool in the Pacific region. Mrs. Akbar used the payouts to quickly launch the reconstruction of the bridge and to provide immediate disaster response to the most affected communities, preventing setbacks in the country's development. Pre-arranged finance, including insurance, effectively helps vulnerable populations become better prepared, recover faster, and absorb losses from extreme weather and disasters. That is why the InsuResilience Global Partnership aims to scale up climate and disaster risk finance and insurance solutions, contributing to broader climate adaptation and resilience efforts.